All right, what's good, YouTube? We're back again with another tutorial and a beat breakdown. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Show some love to the channel so that the algorithm gods begin to bless me in the algorithm, and these videos get shown to the right people. So today we're breaking down a Pradabagshawty type beat. I've been listening to him for quite a little bit of time, and I like his style, I like his beat selection, and I like his vibe. So I just hopped into FL Studio and started making some stuff, and this is what I came up with, and this is the sound that kind of came across. So let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio. And as always, if you stick around to the end, we'll go through the full breakdown, go through the melodies, VSTs, and everything of that nature. And yeah, so let's hop into FL Studio. All right, guys, we're in FL Studio, so we're already switched to pattern mode. So let's go ahead and solo the first one, and this is the first melody that I came up with. All right, so you can already kind of hear the vibe of what we're going with, right? So let's go ahead and add this second melody. This is the second one that we've got here. All right. And then we've got our third one. Well, actually, let's go ahead and play the second one by itself so you can hear it solo. All right, and then we're gonna go to our third one and let it play by itself. All right, so let's add all three together. And then we've got our fourth melody. Here's that fourth melody. Okay, now we're going to throw all four together. As you can hear, they're all very soft, kind of melodic melodies, but they sound very almost kind of like kid-like, kind of playful, upbeat, energetic. I noticed that that's his style. That's the type of beats that he picks. So that's what we were aiming for. So let's go ahead and play all four of these together. Right. And then we've got our final and fifth melody. Everything's pretty simple, guys. And then we're just going to throw it all together. And here's that full loop. All right, sounds pretty wavy, pretty melodic, man. It definitely gives that Pradabag vibe and sound for sure. Next, we're going to hop into the drums and go over the drum patterns and the 808. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and follow, like, comment, share, subscribe this video. And let's get back into it and get back on these drums. So here's all the drums all together, guys. And with these types of beats for him, I noticed that, they're usually pretty simple. The melodies mainly carry the beat more so in his beat selection, and the 808s are usually pretty hard hitting, very fast, nice sounding instruments. Everything is cohesive, but the melodies are the key thing to get with his style. So let's go ahead and hear these drums. Bounce to the melodies, or to the instrument pattern. So once you add everything together, let's play this loop, and then we'll hop into the actual song, and we'll play the beat, or the actual beat. So let's go ahead and play this loop, and then after that we'll hop into the beat. I think we definitely hit the nail on the head with the Pradabag sound. So let's go ahead and switch over to song mode. and let's listen to this beat play out.
This a Milan beat. Oh, 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 oh. This a Milan beat. Oh, 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 oh.
All right, guys, I appreciate you guys that stick around up until this point, and I appreciate you guys that stick around for the entirety of the tutorial. We're about to hop into that full breakdown of all the melodies and everything like that. But before you guys head out, that you guys stick around for this part. I appreciate you guys' love and support and everything. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe on your way out. Show some love to the channel so the algorithm works for me and pushes this out to the right people. So for my guys that stick around for the full tutorial, let's go ahead and hop into this, and let's go ahead and break this beat down. Okay, so as always, I'm just going to play the melodies, and then I'll just go through everything and kind of just let you guys see where everything's at. So let's go. It, man. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, man. I think this definitely hits the nail on the head with a Pradabag type beat for sure. Hopefully we can try to get him on something, guys. I mean, only you guys can really make that happen for me, man. You guys got to catch his attention and tell him to rock with me, and everything like that. So I tag him and stuff, and I'll probably tag him in this once I drop this tutorial, and try to see if I can get some work in with him, man. I wouldn't mind working with him. Definitely like his music quite a bit. So hopefully we can in the future. I'll be doing a Pradabagshawty song breakdown, and you guys will get to see the full cook up and everything, because I got all of that stuff. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel as always. And if you guys got anything that you guys want to see, like more in depth or in particular, drop it in the comment section, let me know, and I'll make a video on it, and we'll go from there. So yeah, follow me on all my social media. Milan Makes Beats. If I got it, you'll find me. If I don't, you won't. And that is it, guys. I appreciate you guys that stick around for the full tutorial and the full breakdown. Let's do the hashtag for this one today. Let's just make it hashtag Prada5. We'll do hashtag Prada5 as the hashtag for the everybody that sticks around for the whole entirety of the tutorial. But yeah, that's it, man. We will be back next. We'll be back with another tutorial, some type of cook-up, engineering, video, something. But always gonna stay creative and keep making content, so that way we can, keeping creative. Make sure we stay creative out here, guys. But I appreciate all the love and support, and we'll be back next week. Peace.